G'day everybody, Shane from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a head unit from a Toyota Prius. Now, tools you will need is a 10mm socket, one plastic spudger, one Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to use a butter knife. Not absolutely necessary, but they do carry a little more oomph than a plastic spudger. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so the first part we're going to remove is this section here. It is held in with clips that are angled, so we're going to start at the top like that, and when it comes out, it's got to come out straight. So don't try and force this down or you will break. Try and bring it out like that. And it is held in with one electrical cable. You remove that by pressing the center pin and pulling it towards the front. Now that's going to expose two Phillips head screws, one there and one there, and we're going to go ahead and remove those. Okay, now this whole part here will unclip as well, like so. Okay, so we've got that all loose now. We're just going to let that hang there. We don't necessarily have to remove that at this stage, but we are going to remove this part here now. And once again, it is just held in with clips. And it will separate from that bottom part, like so. And we're going to just leave that aside for the time being. Okay, so we're going to remove this air vent here now. It'll fold around the gear shift. So once again, with these mouldings need to come out at a straight angle. This one has been damaged before, probably because it was taken out incorrectly. So when you do remove it, just bear in mind that it needs to fight against these clips and come straight out. Now there will be a cable you need to unplug from the air vent, push it in and pull it forward, just to get that out of the way for the time being. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and remove this air vent now, and we're going to do that by opening the glove box. So you can actually spudge from the top and pull it forward. Once again, don't stress it from the top because the clips go in that way, so we need to pull it all out as one piece straight, like that. Okay. Alrighty, now we need the 10mm socket, and we're going to go ahead and remove that one there. Okay, now that we've got those out, this should come out as one piece. Alright. Okay, so you take the entire screen out, and we're going to remove the electrical connections by pressing the middle pin and pulling them back. Don't worry about getting them in the wrong place, they do only go in one hole. Okay, and that screen is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair. So to remove the CD player / head unit, we're going to have one screw there and one screw over there. Once you've removed that, this whole part will clip out. Those clips are strong, so you need to fight with them a bit. And we're going to put that aside for the time being. Now that will expose one 10mm bolt there, one there, one there, and one there. Now once you've removed those 10mm bolts, once again this whole thing is held in with 4 yellow clips. Very hard, you've got to fight them a bit to get it out. There we go. And they're the guys you're fighting against, those ones there. Now once you've got that out, unplug the electrical cables by pushing the center pin, pulling it towards the front, and that unit is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.